Hello, Your Holiness. My name is Brianka Rainford, and I would like to thank you for having us here today. So, in our daily lives, we encounter various forms of suffering resulting from illness, loss, and relationship problems. At times, these challenges can feel very confusing and overwhelming. Your Holiness, you have encountered many adversities in your life. Can you share how you have maintained your sense of hope and strength during these difficult times? Thank you.
I think foundation of willpower, determination, is warm-heartedness, not self-centered attitude. Think about the well-being of a sentient being and human being. That view brings inner strength, self-confidence. Too much self-centered attitude, and then you see some anxiety, fear. So the more compassionate mind is really bring inner strength. With inner strength, you can carry your work transparently, honestly, truthfully. Too much self-centered attitude, then artificial smile also comes. So truthful, transparent, that brings trust from other. We social animal, individuals for life very much depend on friendship. Friendship develop entirely on the basis of trust, not money, not power, not just a mere education, but warm-heartedness. That brings trust. Trust, now my Indian friend, they say, you see, suicide rate in countryside less than big city. Now reason, if you think, in countryside, farming, farmland, the sense of community quite strong. So one family, when they, farming, occasionally all come together, work together. So you see, the one family facing some problem, in mentally, emotionally, they feel, I can ask some help. Then people in big city, the salary and not that kind of sort of way of life. So then something happened, then really lonely feeling, helpless. So therefore, we are a social animal. So social animal, emotionally, the compassion, sense of concern of others' well-being, that's the key thing to bring together. Anger, self-centered attitude is opposite. So since we are social animal, at the mental level, the more compassionate feeling, sense of well-being, sense of well-being of other, caring other, there, then that's really the way of thinking of social animal, like that. So then warm-heartedness, compassion brings self-confidence, and then carry truthful, honest, transparent. That's one way. Then use human intelligence. We should not become slave of emotion. Emotion there, but we must utilize human intelligence, analyze the things which you want You think how to achieve that. Just your wish will not bring that sort of object, but through action. So action should be realistic action. In order to develop realistic action, you should know the reality fully. So from one angle, you can't see the reality. 3 dimensions, or 4 dimensions, or 6 dimensions. Then you get the clear picture about the reality. Too much emotion, you cannot function the ability of human intelligence fully. So unbiasedly, objectively study, investigate the reality. Then combination of your sort of determination or willpower on the basis of truthful, then use intelligence. Your approach should be realistic approach. Through that way, see, there is much sort of possibility to achieve what you want. Even do not achieve, no regret. Okay. So now, my own personal sort of life. At age 16, I lost my own freedom. And age 24, lost my own country. Since then, it's a lot of problems, mainly inside Tibet, a lot of suffering. But, you see, our determination, our willpower always remain. Because we believe truth. Unfortunately, Chinese communist totalitarian system, communist, their power much depend on weapon. So our struggle is something like power of truth and power of gun. So for temporary, power of gun is much stronger. But long run, power of truth is much stronger. Okay, like that.